Welcome back, tech lovers. In this video, I've got 15 must-have gadgets from Temu. And trust me, you'll want to stick around till the end to see all of them. From budget-friendly earbuds to crazy mini drones, these will blow your mind. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on which one you'd buy. Let's jump right into it. This is more than just a desk lamp. It's a smart multitasker. You get 5 brightness levels, 3 color temperatures, and best of all, a wireless charging pad built right into the base. Need to charge your phone while studying or working? Just drop it on the pad. Clean, clutter-free. It's USB-powered, fits into most setups, and looks pretty sleek too. Sure, the wireless charging isn't the fastest, but hey, you're getting 2 gadgets in one for under 15 bucks. Need a smartwatch without the hefty price tag? This $14 fitness tracker delivers heart rate, sleep tracking, step counting, and app notifications. And it lasts up to 7 days on a single charge. It's IP67 water resistant, so you can wear it in light rain or during workouts. The screen's responsive, and it syncs with both iOS and Android. Keep in mind, it's not as precise as premium fitness watches, but it covers all the basics and looks pretty slick doing it. This gadget upgrades your home security for less than $13. It's a wireless doorbell with a built-in HD camera, 2-way audio, motion detection, and night vision, all controlled through your phone. It's easy to install and great for renters or anyone on a budget. Keep an eye on who's at your door from anywhere. Just remember, with any budget smart cam, be cautious about privacy. Use a guest Wi-Fi network for peace of mind. Which one would you actually buy? Drop the number in the comments. I want to know what's catching your eye. Looks like a light bulb, acts like a security cam. This clever bulb screws into any E27 socket and gives you 1080p video, night vision, motion detection, and even 2-way talk. Watch the feed live on your phone and scare off intruders with the built-in alarm. It's a stealthy solution for home security. Just be aware. Brightness isn't great, and again, consider network safety when setting it up. Power up anywhere with this rugged solar-powered battery pack. It's got a 10,000 milliamp-hour capacity, dual USB ports, a flashlight, and a solar panel to trickle charge in sunlight. It's built for outdoor use, perfect for hikers, travelers, or emergencies. Just know the solar charge is slow, best used in a pinch rather than your main power source. Still, it's solid backup energy for under 20 bucks. This tiny projector brings the movie theater to your bedroom. It's small enough to fit in a bag, but powerful enough to project up to 100 inches. It supports 1080p, has built-in speakers, and even mirrors your phone, both Android and iOS. Whether you're binge-watching in bed or need a portable screen for gaming or presentations, this thing gets the job done. Just know, it performs best in dark rooms, and the brightness might struggle in daylight. Still, at just under 30 bucks, this is one of the most fun budget projectors out there. Wireless earbuds for under 9 bucks. These budget-friendly earbuds pack Bluetooth 5.0, come in a sleek charging case, and even have touch controls to play, pause, or adjust volume. You'll get around 4 hours of listening per charge, or up to 12 using the case. They're water-resistant too, making them perfect for workouts, students, or casual daily use. Sure, don't expect studio-level audio, and the fit might not be perfect for long sessions. But at this price, they're an awesome backup or gift. And yeah, they even come in multiple colors. Not bad for under 10 bucks. This tiny cam is perfect for watching your pets, kids, or room while you're away. It streams 1080p video, detects motion, records footage, and lets you check everything from an app. For $6.97, that's nuts. Set it on a shelf, and you're good. Of course, the app might not be the most secure, and the build feels light. But if you want simple, discreet monitoring, it gets the job done on the cheap. Quick challenge. If this next gadget surprises you, hit that like button. Let's see how many of you would use this in real life. Coffee lovers, this one's for you. For just 10 bucks, this handheld frother whips up creamy foam for cappuccinos, lattes, or matcha in seconds. It's USB rechargeable, easy to clean, and comes with multiple speed settings. Ideal for anyone who wants that cafe touch at home. Just don't expect it to handle heavy cream every day. But for light foam, it's a win. Unlock next-level phone photography with this clip-on lens kit. You get wide-angle, macro, and fisheye lenses in one compact set. Great for shooting creative content without buying a fancy camera. Works on most phones, and even comes with a pouch for carrying. Be gentle, though. The clip can scratch your screen if you're not careful. But at $12.99, it's a great gift for any content creator or hobbyist. Romantic, relaxing, and eye-catching. This 3D rose lamp is perfect for setting the mood. It glows in different colors, controlled by a tap, and looks way more expensive than it is. It's great for desks, nightstands, or as a gift. The crystal part may actually be plastic, but it still looks amazing, especially in the dark. Make smoothies anywhere with this mini portable blender. It charges via USB, holds 300 milliliters, and has a 6-blade system powerful enough for fruit, protein shakes, or baby food. You'll get about 10 blends per charge, and cleanup is super easy. Just avoid hard stuff like ice. The blades can't handle too much abuse. But for $14.99, total game changer for healthy snacking. Compact, bright, and zoomable. This flashlight packs a serious punch for under $9. It's USB rechargeable, made of durable aluminum, and has multiple modes like strobe and SOS. Great for camping, power outages, or your car's glove box. Just note, 2 to 3 hour battery life is average, but still solid for emergencies. Make sure you're following. I've got a whole list of under 30 tech that didn't make it into this video, and it's dropping soon. Want to try drone flying without spending a fortune? This foldable mini drone has a 720p FPV camera, altitude hold, 1-button landing, and live view on your phone. It's super beginner-friendly and fun to fly indoors or outdoors. Battery lasts about 10 minutes per charge, and the video quality isn't top tier, but it's great for kids, hobbyists, or anyone wanting aerial footage on a budget. That's 15 gadgets. Which one are you adding to cart? Let me know below, and if this saved you money, hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome finds.